Is Robinhood right for you or not? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video, and my name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on this channel. And in this particular video we'll be talking about Robinhood app, and in 2023 whether you should be investing into it or not. What are the pros and cons of investing into Robinhood? All of these things will be explained into this video. So stay tuned, and now let's start the video. So first, understand what exactly is Robinhood. Robinhood is a trading platform where you can trade your stocks, ETFs, make any investments, buy and sell ETFs, stocks, crypto, everything about that. So it is basically a trading platform where you can go invest your money and as well as buy and sell stocks or crypto or ETFs or any other thing which you want to. So that is basically what Robinhood is. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of Robinhood app. So now first let us talk about the pros of the Robinhood app. So first pro is that there is no fees. You can just download the app, get it activated your account, and then instantly start trading. There is no amount of fees which you have to pay for trading on the platform. Second is instant cash deposit. So when you for example go and buy a stock on Robinhood app, you don't have enough money, but if you for example want to buy an Apple stock right now which is $100 and you don't have enough money, so they give you instant cash deposit of $100, and then you can instantly buy a stock of Apple, and then the $100 will be deducted from your bank account in the next 2 to 3 business days. The third advantage of Robinhood app is that it is very easy to use and the UI interface is very beginner friendly, because I also started as an when I started investing, I used Robinhood because it is very easy to use. Everything is to the point, direct. You can easily find stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, gold, everything on the Robinhood app, and the UI interface is also very good here. So the number 3 advantage is it is very easy to use. Another pro of Robinhood app is that there is fractional share investment allowed. For example, if you want to buy an Apple stock and you don't have $100, you can also buy an Apple stock of $30, $20, even $5, $2, $3. Each and every amount of money you can buy an Apple stock. So that is what fractional share trading is. And the last pro of the app is that there is cryptocurrency trading also. Now there are other platforms of cryptocurrency trading such as crypto.com, Binance, as well as Coinbase. I will be making a separate video of all of them into this channel, but right now we will be just talking about the pros of that. And the last pro was you can easily buy cryptocurrency from this app: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all sorts of coins. So now let us talk about the cons of the Robinhood app. So the number 1 con is that there is no mutual funds or bonds. So if you want to invest into mutual funds or bonds, you cannot do that using the Robinhood app. The number 2 con which I found was that this app usually promotes active trading. So as an international student myself, you are not allowed to do active trading. You are only allowed to do 4 trades per week. For example, buy sell 4 of the week, and that is it, you are done. So as an international student, I cannot indulge into active trading, and Robinhood usually pushes people to active trade. So I think this is a con which the app has. The number 3 con which I found in the app was there is limited customer support, and for I didn't face any issue here, but the customer support takes a very long time to reach. If you want to reach to someone and identify, or you are facing any problems here, if you want to reach to the customer support, I think it's very long line. It's a very delayed process. So I think that is another con of the Robinhood app. So this is it for the video, guys, and I really hope you like the video and you get a good understanding of what Robinhood is, what are the pros and cons of using Robinhood. And now in the next video we'll be talking about each and every pro and con of the Robinhood app. So stay tuned, and इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.